Jake, what's this? What's this, Jake? What's this? What is this? Come and have a look. What's this?
Thomas.
Thomas. Okay, you want to open it? You gonna open it?
Yes.
Okay, over here, over here.
Just open.
Okay, Jake, open it. Do you need some help? Okay, this way, this way, this way. Let's try this side, Jake. Okay, let's have a look. Here we go. There we go. Okay, can you take it out of the box?
Daddy.
Okay, let's take it out of the box. Let's have a look. Ooh, what is this? What is this?
Thomas. Open.
Okay, so let's take it out of the box. Okay, so let's take little Thomas out of the box. There we go. Oh, Thomas. And then we have some map pieces. Oh, look, map pieces. Let's take them out. Ooh,
Thomas.
Thomas. Oh, nice. Okay, is that gonna work? Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so Daddy put a battery in. Oh, okay. Can you make it? Oh. Okay, so we need to change your map, Jake. So the map needs to be changed a little bit. So let's take some pieces out, okay? So let's move some pieces. Okay, let's have a look. We put this here and this here. Oh, okay. Let's put that piece here. Can you put that piece here? Good. Nice. Okay.
Other piece. Other piece.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's... Okay, let's have a look at the box. Okay. So we've got... Oh, dinosaur. We've got dinosaur on here. Okay. So let's take a look at the box.
A puzzle.
Okay, so... Okay, now we got it sorted out. It looks like it does on the box. Okay, can you turn Thomas on? Okay. Yay! Okay, put him on the map.
And a rock.
Okay, let's try again. Jake happy? You gonna turn him off? Off. On.
Thomas what is it?
Mm-hmm.
Thomas what?
Yeah, Thomas. Okay, can you put him back on the map? Whoa.
The puzzle.
What are these, Jake? What are these?
Dino.
Dinosaur. Okay.
Yeah.
What's this? What's this?
Car.
Car. What's this?
One relative.
Helicopter. It's a helicopter. What is this? What is this?
Flower.
What's this?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. What are these?
Elephant.
Elephants. Do you know who this is? Maybe you don't know. Who's this?
Train purse.
Yes, the fat controller.
Train.
What's this?
Castle.
It's a castle. Good. What are these?
Apple tree.
Apple tree. What's this?
And tree.
What are these?
Deer.
Deer. Very good. What's this?
Bite.
Bird. Excellent. Very good.
And this is it.
Oh, very fast. Jake, you happy?
Thomas. Thomas. Okay.
No, yeah, we can put it over there. Okay.
Hello.
You stopped Thomas. Oh. You blocked Thomas.
Later. I like this.
You like this? What's this?
Yeah.
What is this?
Yeah.
Oh, yuck. Dirty. It's dirty.
There's a queen over there. There's a queen over there.
Yeah.
There's a queen over there.
Yeah, it is. You're blocking. Oh. Thomas can't move. Noisy. Blocked.
Was?
Fast, very fast.
Take out these.
Oh yeah, you can do this.
Take out these.
Yeah.
Take out these.
Okay.
This is Thomas.
Who is it? It's Thomas.
Hmm.
Okay, look in here. What are you doing, Jake? You're playing with Thomas?
Hmm.
Oh, okay.
How is it called?
Okay. Let's stop, shall we? Okay.